Welcome to the lecture 5 on complex analysis, module 4. Today we will study the Mobius transformation conformal mapping. The topic of this lecture is this, and we will start with the linear transformation, that is basics for Mobius transformation. So let's start. So what is linear transformation? Linear transformation we will study in the three parts. So start with translation mapping. First is translation mapping. Second is magnification or contraction mapping. Third is rotation mapping. So going to start with translation mapping. What is translation mapping? I already told you, if we have W equal to Fz equal to U plus IV. We all know this is the complex function. And suppose Fz is given as Z plus C. Z plus C. This is actually linear transformation. So degree of Z is 1 here. Z plus C. C is any complex constant, means C1 plus iota C2. Okay. So it can be written as, if we compare the real and imaginary part, what is your Z? Z is X plus Iy. What is W? W is U plus IV, and C is C1 plus IC2. Now collect the real and imaginary part, and if you compare both the side, U is equal to X plus C1 and V equal to Y plus C2. So Y U equal to X plus C1, Y equal V equal to Y plus C2. If you are in XY plane, means Z axis, and if you know the coordinate of any point, you can find the coordinate in a UV plane by this relation if C1 and C2 are known to you. C1 and C2 are known to you. Let's see one example. Let a rectangular region OABC with vertices O as origin 0, 0, A as 1, 0, B as 1, 2, C as 0, 2 be defined in Z plane, means XY system. The image in W plane, we want the image of these coordinate system are rectangular region, because these four coordinates will form a rectangular, and we want to see the image of this rectangle in the W plane, means UV system. Under the map, W equal to Z plus 2 plus I, where here C is actually 2 plus I. Now we know that W is equal to U plus IV, Z is equal to X plus IY, 2 plus IY. Collect the real and imaginary part. You get the relation between U and V with the X and Y. So U is equal to X plus 2 and V is equal to Y plus 1. Now draw the picture in firstly in UV plane. So if we draw the picture, it will look like now. So the coordinates in the Z planes are O as a 0, 0, A as 1, 0, B as 1, 2, C 0, 2. This is in Z plane, is a rectangular. Now you want the image in the Z plane to W plane. So origin 0, 0, A is 1, 0, B is 1, 2, C as 0, 2. And I am taking here new coordinate system in W plane as O dash, A dash, B dash, C dash, corresponding to O, A, B, C respectively. So O is 0, 0, and the relation between U and V with X, Y is X plus 2, Y plus 1. So if you put the value here, 0 plus 2, that will become 2, and 0 plus 1 will become plus 1. So it means This is the O dash. Similarly, A will become 3 comma 1, B 1 comma 2 will become 3 comma 3, C 0 comma 2 will become 2 comma 3. So this rectangle now in look W plane in this form. This is called linear transformation. This is called linear transformation. Second is magnification. Second is magnification. And in linear transformation, we have seen what is our translation mapping. Translation mapping is defined as W equal to Z plus C. Now we'll see the magnification or contraction. This is given by W equal to Fz equal to Kz. Remember, K is a positive real number. Now, according to the values of K, it will become magnification and contraction. Magnification and contraction. So what is the meaning of magnification and contraction here? If the value of K is greater than 1, then this mapping is called magnification. And if the value of K is less than 1 but greater than 0, then this is called contraction. Then this is called contraction. If K equal to 1, then this is called identity mapping. Then this is called identity map. Let's see the one example related to this magnification and contraction. So let a rectangular region OABC, similar example, with vertices A 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 2. Find the image of the map W equal to 2Z. Here K is equal to 2 if you compare greater than 1. So this is magnification type of linear transformation. So now compare W equal to U plus IV, Z equal to X plus IV, compare U equal to 2X, B equal to 2Y. It means we are actually zooming, large zoom. And in contraction is small, concise the image. Here we are expanding the image. 2 means twice we are expanding here. So 0, 0 map with O dash, coordinate is 0, 0, A is 1, 0, become 2, 0, B is 1, 2, become 2, 4, C 0, 2 become 0, 4. So this is in your UV plane. Earlier in XY plane, it is a simple rectangular. Suppose this is area is A, then this area will become as twice here. Suppose this is X coordinate, this is Y coordinate. The area of the rectangle is XY. Here it is 2X, 2Y. So area will become 4XY, means a new area is 4 times of the previous area. But this is not useful here. It's just zooming or expanding our image in W plane. Next is rotational mapping. Similarly, if K is less than 1, then this is called contraction. Okay. So next is rotational mapping. In the rotational mapping, we take W equal to E to the power I phi into Z. Here, phi is actually rotation. Now, let's say we compare with Z equal to R e to the power I theta, and R is the, I already told you this is a representation of complex number in the polar coordinate system, where X equal to R cos theta, Y equal to R sin theta. Then Z equal to X plus I, Y equal to R cos theta plus I sin theta, R e to the power I theta. And we also told you mod of e to the power I theta is 1, therefore mod Z equal to R. Now put the value. W equal to e to the power I phi, Z equal to R e to the power I theta. This is the polar representation of complex number. W equal to R e to the power I theta plus phi. Mod W will be R and argument of W will be theta plus phi. Here Z equal to R e to the power I theta means mod of Z equal to R and argument of Z equal to theta. So what is going to be changed here? Argument is not going to be changed. Same argument, same magnitude is same. Magnitude is not going to be same. Magnitude is same R. Argument earlier was theta, but now argument is theta plus phi. Phi is the rotation here. So let's see the previous example. Find the image of previous example. That was a rectangle with the vertices 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2. Find the image of the previous example W plane under the map e to the power I pi by 4 into Z. Now put the value here. So W equal to e to the power I pi by 4, Z is x plus iy. We all already know it. This is the way to tackle it. E to the power I pi by 4, we can write by Euler's theorem. E to the power I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta, x plus iy. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 plus I sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, x plus iy. 1 by root 2 I can take outside, 1 plus I, x plus iy. Multiply these two factors, it will become x plus iy plus ix minus y. Collect the real and imaginary part and compare with real and imaginary part of W. W is actually u plus iy, iv. U is x minus y by root 2, v is x plus y by root 2. So it's a very easy because 0, 0. Now this is x is 0, y is 0, and your u is actually x minus y by root 2, and v is actually x plus y by root 2. So it will become again 0, 0, 1, 0. It means x is your 1, y is 0. So u will be 1 minus 0 by root 2, v will be 1 plus 0 by root 2. Similarly, x is 1, y is 2. So u and v you can find by this relation. And the new coordinates are 0, 0, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, minus 1 by root 2, 3 by root 2, minus root 2, root 2. So your rectangle will look like now this. Earlier it was in xy plane was this. Now it's just rotated 45 degree with the initial line. So this rectangle will go, if we rotate this rectangle 45 degree, it will look like this image only. So this is called rotation. Find the image of previous example under the map. We can change the map, and according to the map, there will be different image you will get. So now the image is 1 minus iz minus 2i. So some people confused with the mapping. Suppose this is a contraction mapping and this is a translation mapping. That's totally wrong. I told you W equal to kz. It means here k must be greater than 0 and k must be a real number. But here k is 1 minus I. If you suppose this is kz plus c type, this is not kz plus c type. This is a wrong assumption here. And many students did this type of mistake. So k must be real number, but k is here 1 minus I. That is not real number. So we have to make it as a real number. So what we will do here, we will take 1 minus I as a common. So it will become z minus 2i by 1 minus I, 1 minus I z. 2i over 1 minus I can be simplified by multiplying conjugate 1 plus I. So it will become 1 minus I, 1 minus I z plus 1 plus I. 1 minus I, this is a complex number. We have to convert in the polar system. So 1 minus iy, if you compare with x plus iy, so x is 1, y is minus 1. So r will be under root 2, under root x square plus y square, and theta will be x is positive, y is negative. So x positive, y negative, it means theta will be in fourth quadrant. And it will be tan theta equal to tan inverse y by x, so it will be minus 1. So there are two possibilities in the fourth quadrant. You can take if you are coming from anti-clockwise direction, it is a look like 315 degree. If you come clockwise direction, it will be 45 degree, because at 45 the value is 1, and due to fourth quadrant it is minus 1. So we will take minus 45 degree, because the range of tan is minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 only. Tan inverse x must be belongs to minus pi by 2, so pi by 2. So we can take only theta in these intervals. You can take in second quadrant also, but then you have to second quadrant, but x is positive, y is negative. But here this is not correct word here. I cannot use this. We can take 315 also, but 45 is look simple from clockwise direction, so we will take 315. You can also take, there is no problem. but we have taken fourth quadrant because x is positive, y is negative. So it will be root 2 e to the power minus I pi by 4 because theta is minus pi by 4. So now your 1 minus I can be written as root 2 e to the power minus I by 4 z 1 plus I by. Now, if you compare, this is a translation mapping z plus 1 plus 1 minus I because c is here 1 minus I. Now, suppose this is your W. So W1, this is your W1. So W2, I am taking root 2 into W1. This is a magnification because k is equal to root 2, that is greater than 1. Then call it as W2, new product. And W is e to the power minus I by 4 into W2. This is your rotation and you are rotating clockwise direction minus pi by 4. This is the first method. Second method, you can directly convert it. 1 minus I W was 1 minus I. Second method is very easy actually, minus 2I. So just put the value of z x plus iy and compare real and imaginary part. U is equal to x plus y. V is y minus x minus 2. If you know the value of x and y, the value of x and y is known to you because 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2 and 0, 2 are the coordinates of the rectangle. So you can find UV and you can find the image in the UV plane. Next example is find the image. Just put the value of z and w, you can find the image. Find the image of the closed unit disk. Closed unit disk under the map. Under the map, w equal to 1 minus I z minus 2I. And what is given? Mod z is given less than equal to 1. So this is your image in xy plane. So can you tell me what is this? This is actually circle of unit radius because mod z is under root x square plus y square less than equal to 1. So x square plus y square less than equal to 1. So this is a circle 0, 0 radius, 0, 0 center, radius is 1. Now you want this image in z plane. So that is given you for that in w plane, that is given 1 minus I z minus 2I. We know the relation mod z is less than 1. So we will try to find the value of z here. So z will be w plus 2I over 1 minus I. Now take the mod z. Mod z will be w plus 2I over 1 minus I. And this is less than equal to 1. So can you tell me what is mod of z1 over z2? Yeah, mod of w1 over w2. I told you in the first lecture it is mod w over mod w. So you can separate the mod also. So it will become mod of w plus 2I over mod of 1 minus I less than equal to 1. So mod w means u plus iv plus 2I over mod of 1 minus I less than equal to 1. So collect real and imaginary. U plus I, v plus 2 over mod of 1 minus I will be root 2 less than equal to 1. So it will be under root u square plus v plus 2 whole square less than equal to root 2 whole square both the side because both the sides are positive. U square plus v plus w whole square equal to root 2 square. Can you tell me what is this? It can be written as u minus 0 whole square plus v minus minus 2 whole square less than equal to root 2 square. Compare, this is a like circle in UV plane. The center 0 comma minus 2, radius is root 2. So we can draw this circle. Center is 0 comma minus 2, radius is under root 2 is less than 2. So it will not touch x-axis. This is the image in the W plane. This is the image of the given problem in the W plane. The next is inverse mapping. This is a very important. In the inverse, w equal to 1 by z or z equal to 1 by w. Inverse word same meaning. If you know z, you can find w. If you know w, you can find z by these two relations. W equal to 1 by z means w equal to u plus I equal to 1 over x plus iy. We will just multiply with the conjugate to each other in the right hand side. So u plus iv is equal to x minus iy multiply x square plus y square. Separate real and imaginary part. So x over x square plus y square plus iota minus y over x square plus y square. Compare the real and imaginary part. U is equal to x over x square plus y square. V is equal to minus y over x square plus y square. So if you know the value of x and y, you can find u and v very easily. Similarly, if you know the value of u and v, you can find the value of x and y also by the same type of method. U plus iv multiply u minus iv numerator and denominator. You can see that x equal to u over u square plus v square and y equal to minus b over x square plus y square. So according to the question, you can apply. But sometimes this it will useful, sometimes it will not useful. You can directly solve the problem by substituting the values. Similarly, for this type of problems, I'm going to discuss here two example. Find the image in the W plane of the disk. Disk means it's a circle, region of circle, but interior points of the circle only. It is not touching radius, but here it is equal sign, so we can touch the radius also. Under the map, W equal to 1 by z. So firstly, we will draw mod z minus 1 less than equal to 1. So it will be x plus iy minus 1 less than equal to 1. So it will be x minus 1 plus iy less than equal to 1. So it will be under root x minus 1 whole square plus y square less than equal to 1, or x minus 1 whole square plus y square less than equal to 1 square. So it's a circle with center 1, 0 and radius is 1. So this is your image in the UV plane, in the XY plane, or Z plane. It's a x-axis, this is y-axis, and this plane is called Z plane. Now we want this image in W plane, and we know the relation is given as W equal to 1 by Z. So there are many ways, but I will suggest you use this way, please. You know the given relation is Z minus 1 less than equal to Z plane, and the relation is Z equal to 1 by W, or W equal to 1 by Z. So you put the W, Z equal to 1 by W here, it will be 1 over W minus 1 less than equal to 1. Now your picture will be the image of Z plane in W plane. So it can be written as 1 minus W over W less than equal to 1. Both are positive sides. So we can write 1 minus W less than equal to mod of W. W is U plus IV less than equal to U plus IV. So it will be under root 1 minus U whole square plus V square less than equal to under root U square plus V square whole square both the side. 1 minus U square plus V square less than equal to U square plus V square. This V square is cancelled out. Similarly, you can solve it. It is 1 plus U square minus 2U less than equal to U square. U square is cancelled out. So it is 1 minus 2U less than equal to 0, or 1 less than equal to 2U, or U greater than equal to 1 by 2. So this is a straight line actually in UV plane. This is UV, and the plane is called W plane. U equal to 1 by 2 will be here, and we are taking greater than 1 by 2, means this is the region. So circle become like a mirror by the straight line. This is a mirror, and it is fixed at the U equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, you can solve this example. Find the image of the region bounded by the line x minus y less than 2, x plus y greater than 2 under the map W equal to 1 by z. Here x and y are given. So you have to use the relation that x equal to u over u square plus v square and y equal to minus v over v square plus v square. You can directly substitute these values. You will get these two lines. How these two lines looks in Z plane? These two lines are looking in this plane by this manner: x plus y greater than 2. This is the image. This is the line. X minus y less than 2. This is the line. And now we want picture of these lines in W plane. So we will put the value of x and y in the terms of u and v. So these two will look like in these two equations. You will get two type of circle here. So complete it. Put the value of x and y in the terms of u and v. Similarly here, x plus y greater than 2. Put the value of u and v. You will get two circles here. In the next class, we will study what is Mobius transformation. Okay, thank you.